Technician Career Advancement Program is an opportunity to showcase what you have learned and your skills that are out there.
It's a training that helps you advance in your type of field. Definitely very educational.
My favorite part of the program is probably that it's more beneficial towards you and towards your workday. I mean, you get to learn more about these trucks and some of the things that are on them that you might not have even known about.
I was new to this, and then the TCA program really helped me understand how they work, how they're made, how to exactly work on them.
It's in the name. It's a Technician Career Advancement Program. Any opportunity to help promote yourself and the work that you can do to get your name out there and get a better paycheck, why wouldn't you?
Speaking for me, I came in not knowing a lot about electrical work. With the programs and the modules that they have for electrical, I've definitely been improving my skill in electrical, and it's definitely helped me out a lot.
Even though I may not be doing advanced level jobs at this point, I wanted to make sure that when I had the chance to do the jobs, my jobs would count towards the program. So it was really a big deal for me to make sure that I had all of my training done beforehand.
You're getting support from your managers. It's an opportunity for you to move forward in your career and an opportunity to get more money. I don't see any downsides.